Okay, Keith and the Girl iPhone application demo. Take 17. Uh, okay, application. This is all done in the simulator, so not everything's identical, but you can see, all the basic features. So, show status. Um, not live, obviously, right now. Countdown timer till the next show. If it was live, you'd be able to enjoy it, but you get a little error says, "Hey, scope out the timer." You can see that I've already typed in my name and location. Once you've typed that in, it just saves it. If you're typing something in the comment section and you're typing out a big, hilarious, super clever, whatever the hell, and you leave the application, it will save it. And when you come back, your big, super important, obviously incredibly clever commentary will still be there. And you hit submit to send it in. I'm not going to do that. If we were in the real phone and on the simulator, we could hit this and it would go out and actually place the phone call. And then when the phone call is complete, automatically come back into the app. And if the streaming audio was playing when you left the app, it'll be streaming when you come back. The events tab, you can go through, see what's coming up. You will see the little microphones next to actual live shows. Little calendar icons next to events that are not actual shows. You get details on shows. Links are clickable, although they do open up in Safari right now. I'm hoping to fix that, but right now it's not officially supported. Past shows. You can go through, see your shows. Automatically loads 100. You can hit load more episodes and enjoy another 100 at a time. You can keep going all the way back to the beginning. As far as a particular show, you click on it, you get your super fun times. Note, I don't know why that says iPhone malfunction. That's ironic. So, show title, we hit play, does a little queue up, gets ready to go, and spit sideways. You can enjoy the show. You get the idea. Twitter. So this is your basic Twitter. Automatically loads up Keith and Hemda's Twitter accounts. You can anything with a link in it, you can click on it and jump into it, and it loads up in a web view. And you can kind of see, oh hey, show 1000 of planning, blah blah blah, and it works with links. So there's the chat, or it also works if there's an if it's sent to somebody, you can jump into the thing. This right now just loads up the mobile Twitter web view. I'm gonna make it actually load a table view, but not right this second. You hit plus to enjoy the rantings of other people. You can see that I have dropped in a couple of tests. If we were on a real phone, you would shake it and it would do a refresh, and you would see a new tweet. Mine is to get rid of them. Blah blah blah. There's the resources tab. This is just going to open up the KATG page in the iTunes application on the iPhone, or donate in the store. Open up in Safari. Both of these are good things. So that's pretty much the application. All the major features. Cool. Hope you like it. Here is the Good Times iPhone application on my super fun time phone. So, Keep the Girl app. You have to excuse me. I'm a little slower when I'm not actually looking at the phone directly. So, you see it loads up. It's already got my name and all that stuff saved. It's all the same as the simulator. Everything works pretty much the same. The show status pops up, and then the time until next live show takes a couple seconds longer because it's got to download the events feed and parse that all out. One cool thing is that once it's done downloading, it does share it across to the events tab, so the events tab loads pretty fast. We can show the call feature. Actually do the call. Hey, look at that. Calling the show. Now we're done calling the show. We're back in the app. That's pretty cool. Everything, the events page and the other pages are pretty much the same, so we'll skip those. The Twitter page is a little different in that, like, you can see that here's this. Other Twitter people. Takes a couple seconds. And so there's a couple of tests. The last two are me. But I'm going to go ahead and shoot out a test tweet, which is going to take a couple seconds. So you see the thing. It's test 1, test 2. Shake it real good. Come on. Okay, this is classy, isn't it? There it goes. Okay, so you see the little twirl, and there's the last test. So you can see how cool you're going to look when you're shaking your phone around wildly, trying to get it to refresh the Twitter page. Obviously, there's some calibration needed to make it a little bit more appropriate. So that's it. That's the only thing, that's the stuff that's different on the actual device.